Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. This is Lesson 6 of WooCommerce, Customer Management Support. In this video, we are diving into customer management in WooCommerce. We will check how we can manage customer accounts and track order history using built-in tools. Let's take a look at the process. Simply just go to WooCommerce and click on the Customers section. Here, you can see the list of customers with key details like username, email address, last active, date registered, orders, and total spend. And the country where they belong. Also, you can check the details about their cities, region, and their postal codes. While scrolling down, you can get the information of the customer by their email. You can also download the data of the customers by clicking on the download button. If you want a specific column to display in the table, you can just click on the 3 dots and select the columns you want. Now, just move on to the Orders section. In the Orders section, we can check the detail about the orders placed by the customer. Here, we can see the customer name and the date when the order was placed, and the status of the order and the total price of the order. Now you can see the information about the order by just clicking off any of the order. Here you can see the detailed information about the order. You can check the date when the order was placed. And you can see the information about the billing address and the shipping address. Now you can mark the status of the order by clicking on the drop-down. You can see a lot of options here. When you scroll down, you can see the information about the product or being purchased by the customer. On the right side, you can see the customer history, how many orders they have purchased and how many total revenue they have spent. When you scroll down, you can see the information of order notes. We can make the notes private or send to the customer on the checkout page. Now, to build a customer loyalty, consider using loyalty programs or offering personalized discounts. WooCommerce has extensions for Loyalty Pro Dash, points, rewards, and special offers. These tools help improve customer retention by rewarding repeat purchases and engagement. And to integrate your store with customer support, we can use a tool like communication channels and email and chatbots. We can also set up enhanced customer experience, ensure quick responses to inquiries. So, the customer management in WooCommerce is all about creating a better experience for your customer, which can drive repeat business and loyalty. That was Lesson 6 for WooCommerce. Subscribe and don't miss out our upcoming videos.